Hello viewers, welcome to this Xavier Nostromo channel, and today can I create a web-based Lcars Crud editor. Crud, create, read, update, and delete an Lcars library computer access and retrieval system featured in Star Trek Next Generation. Web-based, yeah, it works on the web browser or any web browser. It would work on your system and just basically let you create and update a document based, in this case, on a JSON file. So JSON is a widely adopted scheme that lets you tag and specify data of all kinds. Curiously, the guy that invented JSON figured everything you needed to know about JSON should be able to be put on one page. Quite a remarkable feat. When he accomplished this and people started adopting it, lesson to us all. You don't have to get all complicated and full-blown this and bells and whistles and newfangled ideas. Whittle it down to something that's practical and useful. People will adopt it. On to what I did here. So this is what it looks like. This is the web page editor. I just hit F11 to get the web page to fill the screen. And now you can hover over different sections here. Astrometrics, it's just an example. It's nothing practical, it's just an example. I asked it to include a video media section, and I put in my channel. So obviously you could play it. That's the intro that would be playing there. If you go in edit mode, here's the options. And the one I wasn't really aware of was that the target view tab is the system status, tactical, and astrometrics. This is what it would target. And then if you wanted to insert the block type, it could be an audio recording, video media, or a figure. Let's say I want to insert a figure in astrometrics. I imagine it's going to put that at the bottom. And the text, what do you want? A figure. Go figure. Media. So let's find something to put in there. Okay, I'm just gonna go find Lcars and let's paste that. Let's see what happens. If I insert that, new block added, okay. Export to JSON. Now this should be automated, but right now I'm going to select all, copy and paste the JSON file and update it. So all paste should have updated our astrometrics here, and there you go. You get the idea. And how can this be? I'm using Gemini and I'm just asking what to do next. So that was the idea, is I would like to be able to create a document, update the document, delete sections, and just have a nice display theme like Lcars. Typically when one asks for features and then you move on and move on and move on to new and newer versions, as you improve the code, it drops those features or doesn't bother to re-implement them. If I ask here, where are the sound effects as I press a button? I think we're done for the day. That's typically what's going to happen as you work with a session. I'll have to pick this up tomorrow or later today. As you're working with a session, it will either time out or expect you to start giving money. I do want to give a special shout out to Maudlin Modelers. Okay, there you go. Log into the correct place here. Paul Eriks and Trevor been working on all kinds of things. He's working on he 3D printed this. It's sort of a magical porthole, and in behind here is a screen that kind of has a playing vortex. That's not a video right now, but what he did here is he generated a cartoon based on a panoramic of his stations down in his basement, and that's where we're working right now. So I said, is that your basement? He says, yeah, because he's got his drum set in the background here, and he's got a projection screen there, and pretty fantastic. He is working on developing, and I don't know, maybe he's 80% there, developing the Void Kampf test unit to interrogate potential Nexus 6, or what are they called, skin jobs, or the robots in Blade Runner universe. So they're working on that. Trevor's been working on animations that are part of, although I think this is it. Yeah. So these, yeah, this would be called a probability plot, or a deviation, some kind of deviation, statistical deviation plot, and that would indicate whether or not the replicant is off base, right, in his answers, or I guess dilation of the iris, so-called blush response. Yeah, these guys are, let's say, they're tuned into the tech, and they're getting shit done. I'm in awe. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.